to make this gift decoration or Christmas ornament, whatever you decide to do with it, you're going to go ahead and cut 10 circles out of your book pages or music paper, whatever you decide, and then 10 out of solid color. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm using an old cardboard for masking tape. That's probably the perfect size. I'm going to see if I can go ahead and get 2 out of each page, which I can. So I only need 5 pages, therefore 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm hoping that I can cut through 5 pages at once. While I'm doing this would be a great time for you to like and subscribe to my channel. That helps me keep the content coming out every single Sunday. And if you wouldn't mind below commenting on what you might use this adornment for. It would be a gift or a gift bag or perhaps an ornament of some sort. I would love to know all the different ideas of what you could use this project for. So. And the nice thing about this is that you can use all different types of paper to get all different types of designs on here. I was also thinking maybe old magazine pages might be fun, or old maps. That would really give you a nice design. Like maybe an old map and then mix it with a blue paper. I think that'd be really, really fun. Actually, I think I really want to try that now. So there's my 10 of my book pages. And then I'm going to do 10 out of my cardstock. So once you have your 10 circles in the, for me, the purple, and then 10 in the book pages, you're going to go ahead and fold each one in half. So as you can see, this is a very easy project. It just takes a little bit of time. I would say you could probably create one of these in about 10 minutes. So you can go ahead and put on an audiobook or some music or the TV and get to work. For me, this is like a type of meditation. It's very relaxing. So some people do puzzles, some people meditate, some people do yoga. For me, I love to craft. So there's my 10 of the paper. And then I'll go ahead and do the same with my cardstock. If there's a little bit of pencil mark on it, I'm trying to fold that in the inside. So that's a really good tip. So see here, you can, I didn't cut it exactly right, so there's a little bit of pencil. So you could go ahead and erase it. But instead, if you just fold it in the inside, that might help, but you also could just erase it. Just depends on how picky you want to be. So then your next step is you're going to go ahead and take white glue and glue. I'm going to actually do this on a piece of paper so I don't ruin the back. You're just going to go ahead and glue each one together. So it's be one purple, one book page. Make sure it's lined up nicely. I'm getting so excited to see what it's going to look like. Every time you do this with a different color or different type of printed material, the look is completely different. So it's exciting every single time to see what beautiful creation you've come up with this time. These would also be fun. I was thinking for a party decoration, you could hang them maybe from the ceiling. Or make a whole garland of them. I think that'd be really fun. That's another nice thing about these projects is you can use one idea and use it for so many different things. The reveal. It's really, I really want to look so badly, but I want the excitement of waiting. So I'm going to just let this dry. These are craft clips. You can get these at craft stores or even the dollar store. They're very, very useful. So let's just let that dry for about 5 minutes, and then I will show you the final reveal and how to add a ribbon if you want to hang it. Finished, and you've let that dry for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Take off your craft clip. And then you'll be able to see your beautiful creation. You might have to just make sure that everything is separated the way it should be. But this is how beautiful this is. This is just, again, one way to do that. So if you want it to be like that for on top of a gift, you could just leave it at that point and do nothing else. Just attach it like so. Take some of your double-sided tape. If you wanted, attach it right here, like so. Now, if you want to make it for something to hang up, the next step would be to add glue right here. And then you can go ahead and attach some ribbon of your choice. I'm going to leave, let me switch this idea. I'm going to leave some open on both sides because I want to show you, you could also add some beads. So go ahead and just like so. And again, I'm leaving space on both sides. Then you're just going to glue the two sides together, and then you'll have a complete sphere. Again, just hold that together with some craft clips for a second. And then I want to show you, this is what it would be like if it was plain, but you could also go ahead and put some beads on the spot. So I'm going to show you that as well. So I'm going to go ahead and choose a bead. Most of these actually come from old costume jewelry that I no longer wear, and I repurposed them to use as beads. So I'm thinking something like that would look pretty at the end. So then you're just going to go ahead and thread that through. Actually, so on the bottom, you can use whatever type of bead you like. I'm going to use this. That was repurposed from some costume jewelry. Go ahead and thread that through. Like so.